If you're looking for wall stickers and murals, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller by Ufengke Decor. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Clest fan. Number 3, by Stickers on Your Wall. For more info and great wall stickers and murals, just click this circle. Number 4, by Ferris store. Number 5, by Gemini_Mall. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.